welcome back to another Ramblings video. My name is Heather.
And my name's Malia. And today we're going to be making pom-pom room decor. Let's get started. The materials that you will need for this DIY are yarn or string
Or scissors. And the optional material is a comb.
So the next step is to wrap the yarn around your hand like so. Then when you get the thickness you want, cut it off.
And take it off. And then cut it.
Cut another piece of string like about that big. And tie it in a double knot really tight. Like that.
And then we're going to cut the ends off.
Like that. Both sides. And then you can take a comb or a brush or even just your fingers and comb it through if you want to make it more fluffy. So the last step of your pom-pom strand DIY, you take a long string, color of your choice. I chose blue. You cut it about a little shorter than arm's length, and you take the pom-pom, so I'm going to put one in here, and you find two longer strands. You put them under, and you double knot it. When you knot it and push it down, it's connected to everything else, so it might pull other things, which is why you don't want to pull it too tight, otherwise the other strings will come out. And don't forget to double knot it. And then you can position them to what you want. You can put different colors and patterns. What I did is I did a blue, yellow, blue, white and blue, blue, yellow, blue, white and blue, blue. And you can make it either smaller or shorter than these. You can make the pom-poms bigger or smaller. It really depends, and this is the finished product. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe down below. Thanks. Bye. Hey!
Welcome back to another Ramblings video.
Let's redo that. So the materials my hair, look at that. Inside. It looks pink. So the materials you will need are different colors of string or yarn.
And scissors. And an optional material.
Scissors?
is a comb.
Scissors. So the materials you will need for this video, DIY, are scissors.
Scissors.
No.
And a
I don't know.
comb.